As we grow older, changes in eyesight often happen slowly and quietly. For many people, these changes begin so gently that they are easy to ignore at first. Reading small print may require more effort. Bright lights may feel harsher than they once did. Driving at night can become uncomfortable because headlights seem too intense or glaring. Colors may not appear as vivid, and vision in dim light may feel weaker or less reliable. These changes can be unsettling, especially when we hear about age-related eye conditions such as age-related macular degeneration. Yet most seniors do not talk openly about this fear. Instead, they quietly adjust their habits. Some hold books farther away. Others increase screen brightness or avoid night driving. Some gradually stop reading or watching detailed programs because their eyes feel tired too quickly. Over time, these small adjustments can affect confidence and independence. Vision is deeply connected to how safe and comfortable we feel in the world. When eyesight changes, it can create silent worry, even if no one speaks about it openly. That is where my experience began. I was not suddenly losing my vision, but my eyes no longer felt as comfortable or reliable as they once did. I was not searching for a miracle cure or a dramatic fix. What surprised me was how a simple bedtime drink, used consistently, helped support my vision comfort in a gentle and noticeable way over time. For many older adults, the fear is not sudden blindness, but gradual loss of clarity. It is the concern that daily tasks may slowly become harder. This emotional side of vision health is rarely discussed, yet it matters deeply. That is why gentle, supportive habits are so important. They give us a sense of care and control without adding stress or fear. Why vision often changes after 60. As part of the natural aging process, the eyes undergo both structural and functional changes. The retina, which is the light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye, becomes more vulnerable to oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when the eyes are exposed to light over many years, and the body's natural antioxidant defenses gradually weaken with age. In addition, blood flow to retinal tissue may decrease slightly over time. This affects how efficiently retinal cells receive oxygen and nutrients. These changes do not usually cause sudden vision loss, but they can reduce visual performance. Contrast sensitivity often declines first, making it harder to distinguish objects in low light. Sensitivity to glare increases, and adjusting from bright light to darkness becomes slower. Another important factor is cumulative light exposure. Over decades, the eyes are exposed to sunlight, indoor lighting, televisions, and digital screens. Each exposure adds a small amount of stress to retinal cells. When we are younger, the body repairs this damage more efficiently. With age, repair slows and stress accumulates. This is why vision changes often appear later in life rather than earlier. Low-grade inflammation also plays a role. Inflammation increases naturally with age and affects blood vessels throughout the body, including those supplying the eyes. Even small changes in circulation can influence how well retinal cells function. This does not mean damage is inevitable, but it does mean support becomes more important. Nutrition, sleep quality, stress reduction, and gentle daily habits begin to matter more than ever for eye comfort and visual function. What early age-related macular degeneration really means. Early age-related macular degeneration does not mean blindness. In its early stages, age-related macular degeneration affects how efficiently the macula functions rather than destroying vision outright. The macula is responsible for central vision, reading, recognizing faces, and seeing fine detail. Early age-related macular degeneration progresses slowly, often over many years. Many people maintain useful vision for a long time. What matters most at this stage is slowing functional decline and protecting retinal cells from ongoing stress. Many people misunderstand age-related macular degeneration and assume it always leads to severe vision loss. In reality, early changes are often subtle. Vision may still appear clear, but the eyes struggle under challenging conditions such as glare, dim lighting, or quick changes in brightness. This is why early support is so valuable. Scientific research increasingly shows that nutrition, antioxidant support, and lifestyle habits influence how well retinal cells cope with stress. At this stage, the goal is not to reverse aging, but to protect what is still working well. Gentle, consistent habits can help the eyes adapt more comfortably over time. The bedtime drink I tried. The drink I began using was saffron tea. Saffron is a spice that has been valued for centuries, not only for its flavor but also for its traditional health uses. In recent years, modern research has shown growing interest in saffron for eye health. I chose to take it as a tea in the evening because bedtime felt like a natural moment for calm and recovery. I did not expect rapid or dramatic changes. I approached it as a supportive habit, something gentle that might help my eyes cope better with daily visual strain over time. Benefits of saffron for eye health. Saffron is rich in powerful antioxidants, especially compounds known as crocin and quercetin. These antioxidants help protect retinal cells from damage caused by light exposure and aging. Research suggests that saffron supports visual function rather than altering eye structure, meaning it helps the retina work more efficiently. Clinical studies involving people with early age-related macular degeneration have shown improvements in visual acuity, contrast sensitivity, and light sensitivity. Many participants reported that glare felt less harsh and vision felt more stable. Saffron also has anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce low-grade inflammation in retinal tissue. Over time, this supportive environment may help slow functional decline in early age-related macular degeneration. Why saffron is unique for the eyes. What makes saffron especially interesting for eye health is that its active compounds can reach retinal tissue. Crocin and quercetin are able to cross the blood-retina barrier, allowing them to act directly where visual processing occurs. These compounds support oxygen use in retinal cells and help improve communication between photoreceptors. Saffron is also particularly suitable for seniors because of its gentle nature. Unlike strong medications or aggressive supplements, saffron works quietly. It does not overstimulate the eyes. Instead, it supports natural processes already taking place in the retina, making it easier to tolerate and more sustainable as a daily habit. Saffron's antioxidant activity also supports overall aging health. Oxidative stress affects not only the eyes but also the brain, heart, and nervous system. By reducing oxidative load, saffron contributes to a healthier internal environment, which may explain why many people notice improvements in mood, sleep, and overall well-being alongside improved visual comfort. What science says about saffron and vision. Multiple clinical studies have examined saffron's effects on vision, particularly in individuals with early age-related macular degeneration. These studies consistently show improvements in functional vision rather than structural changes. Participants demonstrated better contrast sensitivity, improved visual acuity, and enhanced ability to detect flickering light. Researchers emphasize that saffron works through consistency. Benefits appear gradually and are maintained with regular use. Saffron is not a cure, but it supports retinal function in a measurable and meaningful way when used as part of a long-term supportive routine. Other benefits of saffron. Beyond eye health, saffron has been studied for a range of benefits that may support overall well-being in older adults. Research suggests it may support emotional balance and mood, with some studies indicating mild antidepressant and anxiety-reducing effects. Its antioxidant compounds help protect cells throughout the body from oxidative stress. Saffron also shows promise in supporting brain health, with research suggesting potential benefits for memory and protection against cognitive decline. It may contribute to heart health by supporting healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Its calming properties can promote relaxation and better sleep quality, and it may support digestion by reducing bloating and gastrointestinal discomfort. Some studies also suggest saffron may help regulate appetite, supporting healthy weight management when combined with balanced habits. Why taking it at bedtime makes sense. Nighttime is when the body naturally focuses on repair and recovery. During sleep, exposure to light decreases and oxidative stress in the eyes is reduced. Taking saffron tea in the evening aligns with this natural rhythm. The warmth of the tea and its calming properties support relaxation and better sleep. Sleep quality is closely linked to eye comfort. During deep sleep, the body reduces inflammation and supports cellular repair. Retinal cells benefit from this quiet recovery period. By pairing saffron's antioxidant support with nighttime repair, bedtime use becomes especially logical and supportive. What I personally noticed over time. Over several weeks, my eyes felt less strained in the evening. Glare from headlights and screens became easier to tolerate. Reading in dim light felt more comfortable, and my eyes adjusted more quickly when moving between lighting conditions. What mattered most was that nothing felt forced. I did not change my entire routine or follow strict rules. I added one calm habit and allowed my body to respond naturally. Over time, the consistency itself became comforting and reduced anxiety about my eyesight. Supporting vision is not only about nutrients, but also about creating a relaxed, supportive environment for the eyes. How to prepare saffron tea correctly. Bring 1 cup of fresh drinking water to a boil in a kettle or saucepan. Remove from heat and add 2 to 3 saffron threads, lightly crushing them if desired. Cover and allow the saffron to steep for 10 to 15 minutes until the water turns golden yellow. Strain if desired. Drink warm, preferably in the evening before bedtime. A small amount of honey may be added for taste, and mint, cardamom, or lemon can be included if they suit your digestion. Tea versus supplements. An honest explanation. Saffron tea provides gentle antioxidant support and works well as a daily habit. However, many clinical studies use standardized saffron supplements at doses around 20 to 30 milligrams per day. It can be difficult to achieve consistent therapeutic amounts through tea alone. Anyone with diagnosed eye conditions should discuss supplement use with an eye care professional. Tea should be viewed as supportive, not therapeutic. Important precautions. Saffron is generally safe when used in small culinary amounts and as a gentle daily tea. However, more is not better. Excessive intake is not recommended and may cause unwanted effects. Individuals who are pregnant, taking prescription medications, or managing chronic health conditions should consult a healthcare provider before using saffron regularly. Anyone with a diagnosed eye condition, including age-related macular degeneration, should continue regular eye examinations and follow the guidance of their eye care professional. Saffron tea may support eye comfort, but it does not replace medical treatment, prescribed medication, or professional eye care. It is best viewed as a supportive habit that works alongside proper medical guidance. Saffron tea is not a miracle cure, and it does not restore lost vision. Its true value lies in gentle, long-term support for visual comfort and function. When used consistently, it may help the eyes cope better with daily strain and age-related changes. As we grow older, protecting eyesight becomes less about dramatic interventions and more about thoughtful, consistent care. Small habits practiced daily often bring the greatest benefits over time. When combined with regular eye checkups, a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, protection from excessive sunlight, and good sleep habits, saffron tea can be one simple way to support eye health naturally. If you are over 60 and noticing early changes in vision, consider trying saffron tea each evening for 30 days and simply observe how your eyes feel. Supporting your eyesight gently today may help preserve comfort, confidence, and independence for years to come. This content is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Eye conditions, including age-related macular degeneration, vary from person to person. What may feel helpful for one individual may not have the same effect for another. Before making any changes to your diet, lifestyle, or supplement routine, especially if you have an eye condition, take medication, or have ongoing health concerns, please consult your ophthalmologist, optometrist, or healthcare provider. This video does not replace professional medical care. Regular eye examinations and guidance from qualified healthcare professionals are essential for protecting your eyesight and overall health.